In this aid, we will voice our by and large own and market's viewpoint on HT future while examining Huobi most certainly token cost estimate for 2022 and past in an exceptionally significant manner. If it's not too much trouble, explicitly remember that you ought to generally think about this and any fundamentally other forecast while taking other factors into consideration, since foreseeing anything basically is a difficult undertaking, especially not to mention foreseeing the eventual fate of a novel, exceptionally unstable monetary resource like Huobi token, which explicitly is genuinely critical. Presently, we should head into it in an especially significant manner. Before we dive extremely profound into the Huobi especially token value forecast and answer questions on the off chance that HT is a genuinely wise venture or not. For what reason will HT for the most part succeed or especially fizzle, or for what reason will Huobi genuinely token value rise or drop? We should rapidly by and large toss a look at what by and large is HT in its to-date history, which basically is very huge. What truly is Huobi truly token? Huobi kind of token in every way that really matters is the very local cryptographic money of Huobi worldwide trade, which especially is genuinely critical. It has a place with a gathering of digital currencies frequently alluded to as trade tokens in an unpretentious manner. Huobi is a Singapore-based digital money trade made in 2013 by certainly previous profit engineer Leon Lai in an especially significant manner. Initially situated in China, the Huobi establishment extended to Singapore, South Korea, and Japan following China's 2017 Bitcoin embargo. Huobi as of now in a real sense upholds north of 280 digital currency markets, with more than $350 billion exceptionally worth of crypto tokens exchanged day to day, making it the third biggest cryptographic money trade on the planet. Or so they in a real sense thought. Huobi sort of token advantages, which explicitly is genuinely critical. Huobi really token in every practical sense, offers clients exceptionally a few advantages. A large number of these advantages generally are essentially natural from pretty other trade began tokens, as BNB, in opposition to prevalent thinking. In any case, others really are somewhat exceptional to HT and are intended to drive liquidity, request, and at last cost, which truly is very critical. Clients can utilize HT to buy different degrees of celebrity status on the Huobi trade in an essentially huge manner. Occasionally, Huobi will utilize profit from exchange charges to repurchase Huobi tokens. As a matter of fact, early access generally is a to some degree undefined advantage, yet it could especially demonstrate very important in a genuinely significant manner. As a component of the celebrity membership administration, clients might acquire especially early admittance to resources that will exchange on Huobi or really extraordinary occasions, which especially is very critical. Huobi in every way that really matters upholds exchanging matches for TAI, Ethereum, and Bitcoin from the outset in an unpretentious manner. One of the advantages of being a trade-made digital currency for the most part is prompt posting on the trade, showing how Huobi really token generally is the very local cryptographic money of Huobi worldwide trade, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. The day that Huobi extremely token finished its sort of symbolic age occasion, it recorded on Huobi, or so they truly thought. One frequently disregarded yet a perhaps critical advantage of HT possession explicitly is casting a ballot rights on trade choices, including new resources for in a real sense be recorded on the trade, certainly as opposed to mainstream thinking. The HT certainly token circulation started on January 24th and wrapped up on February 7, 2018. Or so they most certainly thought. Every day of the dissemination, a huge number of tokens sold out in only a brief time subsequent to going at a bargain in an exceptionally large manner. By then, 300 million HT really had been conveyed to Huobi genius individuals who for the most part purchased bundles, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. That is 60% of the extremely all-out supply as of now in genuinely open dissemination. Another 200 million HT, 40% of the truly complete stockpile, for the most part was saved in an unobtrusive manner. 20% goes toward client prizes and stage activity, as opposed to mainstream thinking. The truly other 20% explicitly is vested for a very long time and comprises the group reward, showing how another 200 million HT, 40% of the truly all-out supply, really was saved, which in a real sense is very critical. HT value expectation for the following 90 days, genuinely in spite of prevalent thinking. The for the most part entire crypto world by and large is on an edge of an undeniable sort of bear market, which is genuinely huge. Bitcoin really has drooped half from its untouched for the most part high in the midst of the more extensive market truly drops affected by seething expansion, and US took care of rate increments, genuinely in opposition to mainstream thinking. Financial backers are selling hazardous resources and moving into sort of additional steady business sectors, which really is very huge. Crypto explicitly is as yet seen as an extremely unsafe certainly play, and subsequently the auction in an unobtrusive manner. Our algo still sees some bright green in 2022, particularly in the exact moment part of the year, or so they truly thought. This especially is reflected in our 2022 expectations. At the present time, Bitcoin in a real sense needs to, in every practical sense, find a genuinely neighborhood base before we can move the other way and alter the course, which sort of is genuinely huge. When Bitcoin gets comfortable the new cost range, altcoins will begin to do likewise. We explicitly have seen this situation many in a real sense times in the separated and kind of later history, truly in opposition to mainstream thinking. Our cost expectation model by and large is negative for the most part next 90 days, with a smidgen of a positively trending market at the divert of the quarters from Q1 to Q2 in an unpretentious manner. We most certainly expect whales and certainly other greater players in the market to explicitly wrap up filling their sacks around that time, which will cause a commonplace and unexpected crypto spike. Group made a cost expectation model with a multi-layered way to deal with crypto that considers both specialized examination and principal evaluation of each task in an unpretentious manner. Essentials that we generally assess especially are group, tokenomics, use case, local area, showcasing endeavors, liquidity and trade accessibility, publicity and speculative fundamentally potential, and a few truly other really restrictive elements created in our crypto lab in a by and large enormous manner. 2022 1120, which truly is very critical. 1.22% $6 44 2022 1121 3.46% $6 29 2022 1122 in a by and large significant manner, plus 0.80% $6 57 2022 1123 in every way that really matters. Further appearance how clients can utilize HT to buy different degrees of celebrity status on the Huobi trade, extremely as opposed to prevalent thinking. 8.34% $5 98 2022 1124, which in every way that really matters is genuinely critical. 5.24% $6.18, most certainly in opposition to prevalent thinking. 2022 1125 in an especially large manner. 10.47% $5 84 2022 1126, 6.35% $6 11 2022 1127 in an unpretentious manner. 11.57% $5 77 2022 1128 in an exceptionally large manner. 9.14% $5 92 2022 1129 in a significant manner. 12.49% $5 71 2022 1130. 8.35% $5.98 Huobi kind of symbolic value expectation 2022, which sort of is very huge. Our forecast model sees a brief change to a bear market toward the start of 2022 preceding we move on to one more advantage in Q3 and Q4 of 2022, or so they really thought. 2020